Hi everyone, my name is Anjana and I am an aspiring chartered accountant. I am here to talk about the CA Foundation examination. So do watch the video on YouTube and don't forget to subscribe to DigiSign. They have a lot of videos on various career aspects, so don't miss out on them. CA Foundation is the first level examination in the Chartered Accountancy course. It's a replacement for Common Proficiency Test, also known as CPT, under the old scheme. There are 4 subjects: accounting, law, economics and mathematics. Accounting is purely financial accounting. Business laws and economics include 2 parts, part A and part B. Part B of law paper includes business correspondence and reporting, which is basically a test of English. And part B of economics paper is business commercial knowledge, which is a test of business world. You have to be aware with the current affairs and the happenings around the world. Business mathematics also includes logical reasoning and statistics. All the 4 papers are in written format. Accounts and law are subjective papers. Economics and mathematics are objective papers. So when it comes to objective papers, there is negative marking involved. That is 0.25 marks per wrong answer. So what I mean to say is, if you answer a question and you answer it wrong, you not only lose that 1 mark, but alongside 1 mark you lose 0.25 as well. So that comes to a total of 1.25 per wrong answer. The duration of each paper is 3 hours. You should score a minimum of 40 marks in every paper and an aggregate of 200 out of 400 to pass. Even if you score a minimum of 40 in every subject and yet your aggregate doesn't cross 200, you will still not qualify. And the other way around as well. Even if your aggregate crosses 200 and you have scored less than 40 in 1 or more subjects, you will not qualify. What I mean by this is that you will have to write all the 4 subjects in the next attempt. For every right answer, you get 1 mark. And sometimes it's okay to not attempt some questions if you're not sure, because that way you'll not lose any marks nor gain any. So that's always better than losing 1.25. Anybody who has cleared 2nd PU or 12th under any stream or board can take up this examination. Also, this examination is not specific to Indian citizens. Anybody from any corner of the world can take up this exam, except this course is applicable only in India under Indian laws. What I mean is, if you're a chartered accountant in India, you can practice as a CA only in India. If you want to practice the same in other countries, you will have to do equivalent courses like CPA in the US or ACCA in the UK. This exam is conducted twice in a year, once in the month of May and once in the month of November, unless the situation demands. This course is called a 4-month course, so you have to register for the course at least 4 months before the exam commences and pay the exam fees 1.5 months before the exam begins. So the dates vary accordingly. The registration fees for Indian students is 10,000 rupees and for foreign students is $980. Along with this, you have to pay requisite examination fee 1 month before the examination. I can only talk from my personal experience. It should be more qualitative than quantitative. There's no standard yardstick as such. Just remember, there are 3-fold effects in proper learning. So it is conceptual understanding, written practice and cumulative revision very often. It varies on individual basis. There is no compulsion on attending classes. Once you register for the course under ICAI, you get a set of books and that's more than enough for your preparation. For additional resources, you can browse YouTube and there are scanners for every subject available which have past examination questions of about 5 to 6 years, which is very helpful. Once you clear CA Foundation, you'll be eligible to take up the intermediate exam, which is a 2nd level in the CA course. Other than CA course, if you wish to shift to CS or CMA, that is also possible directly at the second level. You don't have to go through CS foundation and CMA foundation again.